Alright, preparation's all done. Alright, Wario, that's good. I'm sure everything is in. We got the light for this room. Alright, actually, yeah, I seen it. See the light in the living room too. You got the light for the kids' room, office light, bathroom emergency light, and the bedroom light. Yep, all those. The emergency light in Matt's apartment. Yes. Emergency light in the hallway. Yes. My emergency phone and a number. Yes, and yes. And one more thing. I'd like you to make sure the pool cover is on. Made sure that would stay on by putting duct tape and string on it. By the way, this is Matt's emergency light. Get the pool. It is raining out there. I better seal it off. One parking. A part came loose. It's only one part though. The rest will stay on fine. So I'll just do a check. Yep, it's good. Except for just one small part. But still should be on enough. Well, I guess so. Check the system board one more time. Alright, system board. Blah, 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 blah. Yep, it's good. Emergency lights are set. Frank's emergency phone. I lost the whole thing. Oh. Can we hang it up? Oh. The new emergency phone is good. It has a very long cord. And LCD display. Lots of options and 2 lights. This phone can be used in power outages. Lights are so that you can find it in the dark. In case you don't have any other light. I think it might be best changing the batteries to the smoke detector too. But I don't know if I should do that. Can't see the thermostat in this darkness. 73 degrees. You'd be cut off from heat without the power. Heat source. How I forgot, Mario. Well, all the lights we'll be using should make enough heat. Could use the fireplace. The wind would just blow that right out. You're right. What about candles? Candles would work good too. Alright. Now, since everything's set, one last thing. The basement. 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 Yes, we're going to the basement. Yeah. Laying down there is temporarily disabled. But when we get down there, we'll show you all of its features. Yeah, oh. It has emergency power for power outages, which you saw in the tornado. And lots of cool stuff. I'm not going to show you this yet because we're not in the heart of the storm yet. That'll become later, the next part. This part was just for the purpose of showing you that we're all prepared. So, maybe tonight we'll be watching TV. Alright. While we do, you stay right here. Nah. I'll just go check out the rest of the supplies, see if everything's prepared. This light. Give it a test. Check. Should be good. Test this one too. Dang it, WWE original fell down again. Alright. That's good. That's good. Extremely hard to get the blinking red lights on there. Oh, got it.
The way the future. 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 The way the future.
Check. Alright, so make sure thanks. Alright, this is one. That's good. Alright. Light in here. Not very bright, but still should work. Oh. This way. Oh, come on. Got it. Well, it's not bright as well. Still, should also work. Oh! And one more light to test. This one. Bright, and should work. Whew. Well, whole house lighting for power outages is a go. Oh yeah, I might need this too. Thermostat runs on batteries and... well... maybe it should still be able to work in power outages as well. So, just say that this thermostat takes AA batteries. And so it can work in power outages. It'll still be able to tell you the temperature, although it won't be able to send signals to the furnace and turn on the heater air cooling. It'll still be able to work. Oh, right. Fridge. That's the rule. Dang it. Why is it so dark and... I think the signal's disrupted. Why the heck is it dark? Think everything's prepared. Ah, credits. Okay, good. Everything's good? Alright. But there has to be a way to kill time in power outages. Oh, the hurricane center.
After seeing some of the computer models that came in ahead of it, I gotta tell you, I see those waves that Jason Law is going to tell you about, and I get it. It's tempting. It's fun to play in the waves, but this is dangerous stuff. The rip currents that are forming out there can be deadly. You really got to be careful in these situations. Look at the tops of these clouds building so high it's putting a shadow down on the clouds underneath. Those are the heaviest rain showers that are moving across, and thunderstorms too that have formed in the intensifying center of the storm. No longer tropical at its center, but still powerful. Now look at the heavy rain. Check out here on Martha's Vineyard around Edgartown and going inland now toward Vineyard Haven. Heavy rain happening, the yellow, the orange. You see it all in here. It's right up along the coastal roads in Edgartown toward Oak Bluffs as well.
Oh my goodness.
Off to the north, in the middle of Cape Cod, check out this. This takes you down around Yarmouth and Dennisport. South Yarmouth right here with some of that heavy rain there. South Dennis, West Harwich, Dennisport's in here. Getting heavy rain move across your area right now as well. That'll continue in waves overnight and through the day tomorrow as the storm continues to spin around to our south. Wind gusts 70 miles per hour around the center, or sustained winds rather. We're seeing wind gusts close to 60 out on the islands. And that latest tracking at 5 o'clock, the Vanessa mentioned, spinning around to our south through Wednesday early morning before finally making a move toward us. But this is what I was fearing with the computer models all showing a more easterly, more westerly track, that would bring it very close to Nantucket. The good news is it would be weakening and moving more quickly by then, so it would be sitting around.
This is one serious storm. It's the video is close to end. Thank you for watching, and if you want to get to the next part, please tap the next video.